Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm going to take you around a Cummins Onan genset. This is a 1995 model year and it's the 80 kVA power unit. So although it's nearly 30 years old, we're in 2023 now, it's in really good condition, and as you can see it's only done just under 400 hours, which is pretty unheard of for this age unit. And that's why it's in such good condition. So just have a little look around. This is our outgoing cabling coming from the alternator in there. And then we've got the incoming fuel glass there, so we can see the quality and the clarity of the fuel coming up. And then this is our Cummins 6-cylinder inline diesel engine, which was actually produced in the UK and pumps out around 115 horsepower. We have our single turbo on top there, coming down into our inlet manifold. This is our air filter just there. Got our oil filters down there in the middle as well, nice and easy to work on. And then just going around the other side, this is a 24 volt starting unit. So we actually have our starter motor mounted on the side there, with our two batteries in series, two 12 volt batteries giving us our 24 volts. And then coming up to our induction system, into that turbo, and then we've got our exhaust manifold here, coming up through the turbo, and then going out through the silencer and then out of the building. It's a really nice little unit. Once the power comes out of this generator, comes over to a manual transfer switch, which is a matched Cummins Onan transfer switch, and then it obviously goes off to the switchboard. It's a really nice little setup. It's almost a shame that we're decommissioning it, but there you go. If you have any questions, just yell out in the comments below. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.